You want to do eyebrows?
Yeah, this is what I was waiting for.
This is what you was waiting for?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel today.
What's your name?
Maya.
What are you going to be doing today?
Makeup.
Whose makeup?
Zaria makeup.
Zaria's makeup. You know how to do makeup already?
Yes, I do. My mommy did it before. And
Okay.
she teach me.
Oh, your mom taught you?
Yeah.
Okay, what did she teach you?
This.
Okay, lipstick,
This.
blush,
And this.
eyeshadow.
Where's the eyebrow?
So where you want to start? You want to start with eyebrows or you want to start with eyeshadow?
This one.
Okay, let's open it. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Me too.
My favorite color is this one.
The purple one?
Yeah.
Okay.
A little bit more.
You can mix the colors too. You can use any colors you want.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Great color.
It matches your shirt.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna use this one for the other eye.
Okay. So if you're gonna mix and match it, you get one color on one eye, another color on the other eye. You a pro.
Yellow. Pretty color.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
I look like a princess?
Yeah.
Thank you.
More yellow.
Sure, more yellow. Go ahead.
It looks like gold.
Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, you wanna do, what do you wanna do next? You have eyebrows, eyeshadow, eyeliner, blush, lipstick. We'll do lipstick last. Blush?
Yes.
Okay, so you're gonna put on the blush. Ooh, yes, that's pretty. Mm-hmm. What's your favorite part about doing makeup?
The eye.
My eye?
Lipstick.
And lipstick too?
I don't do lipstick.
Ooh, that's gonna be your favorite part.
I'm not gonna try to put it on your face.
Okay, so just my lips.
Yes. Done.
Done?
Put a little bit more on there.
A little bit more on this side? Okay. Who's your favorite princess? I know, that's a hard one, huh?
I know.
There's so many.
Belle.
Belle. That's a good one.
Done.
Done? Okay. Let's do eyeliner.
A little bit more.
A little bit more?
Yes, because I
Because what?
can't really see it.
Oh, okay. You gotta see it as much as possible. What's your favorite color?
Pink,
Pink?
purple, blue, yellow, red.
Ooh, those are good colors. Those are all the colors you put on my face.
Yes.
Okay, what's next? Eyeliner?
Yeah.
You know how to do eyeliner? I'll show you a picture. Okay, it looks like that. And you use this. Think you can do it? Okay. I think you're a pro, so.
So you go like this.
Mm-hmm.
Oops. That's so good.
Mm-hmm.
I did it.
You did it right.
Oh. A little bit more. Is that good?
Mm-hmm. It looks beautiful. You're a pro. Are you gonna be a makeup artist?
Yeah.
Yeah? Whose makeup are you gonna do next? Your mommy?
Yeah.
Because she's gonna look like a princess too.
Yeah.
Just like me and you. What's next? You wanna do eyebrows?
Yeah, this is what I was waiting for.
This is what you was waiting for? Who told you about eyebrows?
My mommy did eyebrows before.
Oh, she did? You wanna do mine?
I do.
Just fill it in. colored in like a coloring book, girl.
It's working.
It's working?
Yeah.
Ooh. Thanks, girl. Yes. Who taught you how to do this, girl? You want to do the other one?
Yeah. Done.
Done?
Yeah.
And last but not least,
What's this?
which color you want to use?
I don't like it. This one.
That one? Okay. Yes, girl. What's the secret to how to do makeup? I'll tell you the secret. Tell them what's the secret.
You're beautiful.
You're already beautiful, right?
Yeah.
That's the secret. You're gonna remember that forever, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. We're all done?
Yeah.
Tell them what you did.
I did her eyebrows. I did her cheeks.
Mm-hmm.
And I did her eyeliner, her lips. And eyebrows.
Yeah, you did my eyebrows.
Eyeliner.
Mm-hmm.
And
that's it, right? And it looks good. High five. All right, guys.
See you next time.
You can cover the camera like that. Ready? Bye.
In the building. The king, you know what I'm saying?
No.
I look good on my uncle look good. I don't look good, Jit?
You look amazing.
Oh, you better tell me I look good. So with you. Perfect skin right there. See it? Cheekbones and all.
He's right. You have beautiful skin. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah.
What's that one?